Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware and enabling essential controls. First, make sure the speaker actually supports NFC, check the labeled tag area and power it on so it can accept pairing requests. Then, open your phone settings and enable NFC. Make sure Android or iPhone supports NFC wireless pairing. Once done, remove bulky cases and keep the phone within 1 to 4 centimeters of the speaker's tag area. This proximity ensures the NFC field engages immediately and reliably. Now you'll use NFC to trigger the actual Bluetooth pairing. Tap the phone to the speaker's NFC spot briefly. Look for a vibration, beep, or on-screen prompt. When the phone opens the Bluetooth pairing prompt or an app, grant location or Bluetooth permissions if requested. This is required for discovery. Next, choose the speaker's name from the list and accept pairing. Sometimes a PIN appears. Confirm it only if it matches the device. Make sure to wait until the Bluetooth connection shows as paired before moving on. Finish by verifying audio and adjusting settings so it's reliable. Play a short track at low volume and confirm the phone is routing audio to the speaker. Switch output in media controls if necessary. If pairing fails, reboot both devices, toggle both NFC and Bluetooth, then attempt the tap again. This clears transient glitches. If problems persist, reset the speaker to its factory pairing state per the manual. That often resolves stuck Bluetooth records and lets NFC initiate a fresh handshake quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.